Drób różny taki.
Nieloty.
Co? Nieloty.
Nieloty, o.
And mostly they have to do it under that bush which have got berries or gum. That like to come always and try to feed themselves there. They have to make the trap under that specific plant.
Jak są jagody albo jakieś tam gęste krzaki, to wtedy można to zrobić. I one tam lubią tam siedzieć.
And the small bush there is called Kalahari raisin bush.
Kalahari?
Raisin bush.
Raisin bush.
So it produces us with its flat, small, round berries. And those berries, the harvesting time is in early winter. When these berries,
And you may eat it.
so its harvesting time is in winter.
Oh,
But
okay.
it's gonna germinate soon. It's exactly maybe coming month, and the harvesting time is gonna be in April or May. Then its berries will change into reddish color, containing sweet taste. You got it berry, tie it, peel from the bark of the silver terminalia, and you tie it attaching on the small stick to combine with the one with the snare there. Now, for the whole demonstration, guys, you watch how the guy will do it, because that could attract any of the bad like gum or berry. If it finds underneath the result, perhaps it fall on the ground, then we're gonna run for that. But trying to put it neck in this open snaring to peck from that berry, the moment it pecks, then this loosen to each, and then their stick jumps up and catch it in the neck. And the moment it fits to straight out the fly to get out from the string, they tie that.
Yeah.
It's gonna hang itself to die off.
No, że ten pułapkę robi, że tam te berries przywiązuje za pomocą jakiegoś tam włókna, co też tutaj znalazł, a dziobie i wkłada w szyję tam w tą pętelkę i jak...
Ale ma słodki smak, nie? To jest
Słodki
mówił,
smak.
tak, że
No to one nie wiedzą, że mają słodki smak, po prostu są berries, które zwykle jedzą.
And guys, the string which is having there, it's called Horyzonty plant or Sansevieria, the one for the string. You got the green plants, the ones you will see later. They remove the green parts, and the 5 years, the more they receive. They twist it round it together on the neck, on the tie, to get a string. That's
No
very
też sznurek też jest jakiegoś tam drzewa.
robił go przed chwilą przecież tam przy nas.
Come closer and have a look, guys. And if you're preparing the trap, you mustn't sit in front, putting your face nearby. The side, and your face must be away.
Wow.
Because enemy stick will happen, and they need to jump up, and otherwise the stick will hit you in the eye. So always on the side, because the stick will happen. So now it's opening the snare, and then you have to put sticks around, so the bird exact has to run to put it neck in there. So you see, you have got sticky pointed stuffs there. When it jumps up, those sticky will...
No nie można tutaj siedzieć, tylko trzeba iść tam around, żeby nie przyjebało w boku.
In the face.
No głównie, że w oko.
Nie, ale jak to jest w ogóle, wiesz, wymyślone.
I te patyczki, żeby wzięło dokładnie
Są pętle, tak.
tą pętlę, a nie tam cokolwiek.
Po prostu
Teraz na nim pętlę pewnie
A
założy.
tak, pewnie tak. Na patyczkach założy pętlę.
Żeby on się schylił akurat między nimi.
So the strength that up